How to search Creative Commons. Hello and welcome to this how-to video. This video discusses how to search Creative Commons. So, for the project you're working on and for other projects you have to make sure you're allowed to use the images that you are using for your project. If you don't, you're infringing on copyright, and that's not only wrong at a level for cheating in class, but it's also illegal. So, I showed you in a previous video how to do Google Advanced Image Search, and then go to the usage where you would look into Creative Commons licensing. Well, this is actually using the website. We'll pull it up right now, creativecommons.org. So, we're going to take a look at this website here in a second. Let me pull up full screen. Boom. We go into Creative Commons. You can share your work through this site. They're a nonprofit organization. You can also search for images. Right now you can only search for images. They are looking to open up and find open source and public domain sounds and things of that nature. There are other searches you could do for those, and we'll talk about those in a later how-to video. So I want to use and remix. Click on Use and Remix and it pulls up this page. I will let you read this on your own. Basically, the images that you find, some way, shape, or form, people have labeled the images as usable by other people. What you have to do is go in and do a little deeper search to make sure you notate and give credit to the people and meet their requirements for using their images. So, it says here, attributing sources. You can use Creative Commons licensed materials as long as you follow the license conditions. One condition of all Creative Commons licenses is attribution, meaning you give credit to the person who took the original picture, is letting you use it. And they have an example here. So basically, go to Search the Commons, click here, search all content, and you have two options. I want something I can use commercially or modify or adapt. So I'm going to search for, Bo Diddley. Let's see if I can modify or adapt something. I hit search. Now, these little codes, Creative Commons. If we hit this, let's hit this picture. So, Creative Commons, it's for reuse. I can share adaptations under the same terms. I have to give credit to the creator. And it can't be for money. And this has the citation right there on how I would give credit to the source for said topic. So if I have this information, I'm on the iPad, I would add it to my photos or save it to my drive, and then I could upload it into my presentation. This has the source that I would put into my bibliography, and also how I would credit it on my presentation to the original creator of that image. So, very simple, very easy to do Creative Commons searches and give people the credit they deserve for using their work. If you have any questions, zip me an email to my school email, dsalvucci@nbasd.org, and I'll answer any questions you guys have for the project. Let me close this down. So if you have any questions, message me. Hopefully this helps you. It's very basic, but it's a very simple search to get information you are allowed to use in your projects. Have a great day, everybody. This video is recorded under Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike. La fine.